Each and every subject needs to be learned in a different way. Every subject has its own way of learning. I'm here to give you some tips to learn biology effectively and smartly. The first tip, always draw the diagrams. For each and every topic that has a diagram, draw it and label it, because drawing diagrams will enhance your visualization power. And the topics which doesn't have any diagram, try to figure out a diagram by yourself. Make flowcharts while making notes. The second point is, while reading any topic, visualize the topic in a practical way. Suppose you are studying the chapter digestion and absorption. Visualize each point from the diagram of the human digestive system. So the first point comes here also. If you have read the diagram, if you have drawn the diagram of the human digestive system, then only it will be easier for you to visualize while reading the digestion and absorption chapter. The third tip is, prepare smart notes. I am showing you here how to prepare smart notes without seeing your book. Don't write the notes in the form of a paragraph. Always write the notes making some points. The fourth tip, make your own mnemonics for all the examples. And all the topic you get confused, make some mnemonics for that topic. For example, in the NCERT book of biology, there are 3 examples of hypogynous flowers: the mustard, brinjal and China rose. If I have made a mnemonic for this, MCB, miniature circuit breaker. So MCB, you can remember the short form MCB must for the examples of hypogynous flowers like the mustard, China rose and brinjal. So if you find difficulties in remembering the examples of any topic, you can make some mnemonics, or if you find difficulties in making mnemonics, you can directly message me or comment in the comment section. I will make mnemonics for you and will send it to you. So if you find this kind of videos helpful, do not forget to subscribe my channel for more videos of this kind. In the next video, I will discuss about how to study physics and chemistry effectively and smartly. For that, stay tuned.